Is YouTube TV in 4K? Unfortunately, not for live TV. YouTube TV does not currently offer live channels in 4K resolution. Most live broadcasts stream in 1080p HD, which is standard for live TV streaming services. However, some on-demand content from partner networks like AMC Plus or BBC America may be available in 4K if the show or movie supports it. For users seeking 4K, YouTube TV falls short compared to competitors like Fubo TV, which offers select sports and events in 4K. Additionally, YouTube TV's DVR recordings are not saved in 4K, as they depend on the original broadcast quality. If 4K is a priority, you might need to pair YouTube TV with other 4K-capable services like Netflix or Disney Plus for movies and shows. Alternatively, consider platforms like Fubo TV or dedicated 4K streaming devices for specific sports events. While YouTube TV provides solid HD quality, true 4K remains limited to select on-demand content rather than live TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.